Rookie, if you ever watch this video, see what you made me do here. This is a bottle of malt. I can't wait here for free. Okay, so I'm currently at Century Valley. This is the restaurant by there, and this is Century Red Hot. If I'm right, yeah, I think I can see it from here. And I'm waiting for this girl that is called Rookie Dimma. That's supposed to be an Aba YouTuber that decided to go to Port Harcourt. And because I can't just thank God that she made me to stay in a place that at least there's somewhere I can hang out. Because of this girl, and because I cannot just wait here without getting something, I had to do this. I left Owerri. I've been very sick. Like yesterday, I even thought I would die. Look at me here, okay? And Rookie decided to keep me stranded, but that's fine, okay? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you just see me for the very first time, my name is Grace, and I'm a content creator that is currently based in Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. Although I'm currently in Aba right now because of one girl, one YouTuber that I decided to use my two left leg to find. So they are making the shawarma. They said their shawarma is 1,500, ordinary one. I'll be testing that. I'll be reviewing that for you, so that in case you're in Aba, you can always find yourself here, okay? If it's not good, I'm going to tell you. Amstel malt. It's been long I took Amstel. It's been long I took it. It's tasting watery and just this belly test normally that's at the background. Funny thing, I don't even have enough cash to pay for this, so they decided I will give them, and I'm going to be making transfer for them. I don't like this. I always tell you, before you go to any place, be sure that the person you're visiting is at home and is waiting. Rookie told me she was in Port Harcourt yesterday, but she'll be in Aba today. Now, I had to give her enough time. I started off from Owerri around past 12, and this is the time, guys. This is 13:56. Even when she called me, she told me she was already on her way. I thought that I'd already reached her, but I was just joking. But that was when our bus, or when our vehicle was still loading. But look at me here. This girl decided to disgrace me. I'm spending this 2,000 naira Rookie. Anytime you see this video, just run the transfer for me. My hair is still like that. That's why they're making this. This place is for ice cream. While we wait for our shawarma mukbang, guys, I decided to take thumbnail pictures first, okay? And I love playing too. As I was waiting for the shawarma, I was also waiting for Rookie at the same time. See when this guy is calling me. Hello, Rookie. It's not I don't reach. You're going to come to where I am now and pay for every damn thing I've taken. That's just the only thing. You should get back on Rookie. Imagine you. See, you just made me to spend my money and you pay me. I've already told them in the video. Can't cable window guinea. Imagine, guys, can you see a YouTuber? Can't cable window shopping. You told me can't cable monetization. Forget that thing, Jerry. A big YouTuber, a whole Aba YouTuber. I'm at that the place that you asked me to stop. I said I should stop at Century, blah blah blah. So I stopped there, and then there's a hotel, and I had to sit down and wait. And I now saw Century Red Hot, something like that. I came to their ice cream spot. I'm currently waiting for my shawarma. pay Holland. Come on, that's just the only thing I have to tell you. Come on, that's the only thing I have to tell you. Come and pay for everything I've taken. Tell you which house. Do I know your house? No, Allah. No, Allah. I'm there. I'm waiting. Mama is here. Let's test their shawarma and do a review of it. It's very hot, which is fine. It's blazing hot, guys. I think that's okay. I like hot shawarma. It's now to the test. Let's check how their test is. Century red hot. Can you eat that? But the beef, I don't know. The beef is tasting like something that is not fresh. Let me take another bite. This is the best kind of disappointment. Like when you are disappointed, you just have to go to a place and sit down, relax and enjoy yourself. I think that's better. And then it's big too. So the last shawarma I ate was the one that we bought the day we visited the Ndezi of the whole of Imo State. Though there's a one full long hot dog inside that. But I've tasted a lot of, I've not gone half of this, but I've been taking a lot of beef inside, which is what I love about shawarma. If you say it's chicken shawarma, let there be chicken inside. If you say it's beef, let there be beef. If you say it's special, like they said, they have special ones. Let there be something that is special about it. So this is nice. Although I've not seen hot dog inside. They asked me and I told them yes, I love hot dog. Tell me in the comment section if you're a lover of shawarma. Yeah, I love shawarma, but it's not like I'll be using my money all the time. I just take it like as you're seeing now, or anytime I feel like. It's not something I will just spend my money all the time on because I love it. Babe, it's okay. Your Igbo shawarma is nice. At least I've been tasting beef inside. There are some people, it's only cabbage that you see inside. Yeah. After enjoyment, guys, I decided to go wash off my hand. One good thing about this shawarma that I cut off was that it has a good cream inside that tasted great. Then I know that by the time you see this, I would have been back to Owerri, so I would not be here. I would have asked you to, tell me any other food you want me to try out here in Aba. I know that Aba, to say, is not really such a very big city. Someone can start trying out all these not so local foods, okay? It would have been better if this is a local food that I tried, but Ruki just made me to do this. and trust me, I love doing it. This is my first time of eating shawarma outside. I've always had to kind of buy from their shawarma joint or their shawarma spots, then take it back home, enjoy it just all by myself and with a bottle of Coke. I love my shawarma with a bottle of Coke, but for the first time I'm trying this shawarma with a bottle of malt, and trust me, it's a nice experience. Okay, so like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, share the video. Sharing is free, liking is free, subscribing is free. Okay, and I'll see you any other time I upload a new video. For now, let me keep waiting for this girl to come so that's all facts. Bye.